Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by measuring 1 cup cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon pure vanilla. This combination makes a stable, flavorful whipped cream. Place a metal or glass bowl and your whisk in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes so everything stays cold. Cold cream whips faster and traps more air. Warm utensils will slow the process. Keep the cream at 35 to 40 degrees F while whipping when possible. Prepare a timer and clear workspace so you can focus on texture and speed during. Pour the chilled cream into your cold bowl and start whisking slowly for 30 to 60 seconds to break the surface tension. This helps uniform aeration. After that, increase to a medium-high rhythm and use large, fast strokes with your wrist, whisking for another 2 to 4 minutes until you see soft peaks around 2 minutes. Continue to stiff peaks at about 3 to 5 minutes total. Stop when peaks hold shape but remain glossy. If you see graininess or separated liquid, you are overbeating and must act quickly. If you need longer stability, fold in 1 ounce softened cream cheese or gently add 1 teaspoon unflavored gelatin dissolved in 1 tablespoon warm water. Both keep peaks firm for salads and cakes. Store whipped cream covered in the refrigerator and use within 24 hours for best texture. Overnight, it will lose some volume and may weep. If overwhipped and you see butter forming, stop and fold in 1 to 2 tablespoons unwhipped cream to rescue it. 1 cup of heavy cream typically yields about 2 cups whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.